विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इश्यू ऑफ शेअर्समधील प्रोराटा अलॉटमेंट अशा स्वरूपाचा प्रश्न पाहणार आहोत. द राज इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेड invited applications for 2 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each, payable as follows. On application rupees 5, on allotment rupees 3 bracket मध्ये including premium rupees 1, and on first and final call rupees 3. First and final call rupees 3. Applications for 2,50,000 shares were received. It was decided to refuse allotment to the applications for 10,000 shares, and next to allot in full to applications for 40,000 shares, and C, to allot the balance of the available shares pro rata among the other applicants, and to utilize excess application money in part payment of allotment money. Mr. Ram, to whom shares had been allotted on pro rata basis, did not pay the amount due on allotment and call. His 200 shares were forfeited. These shares were reissued as fully paid at rupees 9 per share. Here applications are received 2,50,000 shares, and company decided to refuse allotment to the applications for 10,000 shares, to allot in full applicants for 40,000 shares, and to allot the balance of available shares pro rata among the other applicants, and lastly to utilize excess application money in part payment of allotment. Here Ram, to whom shares had been allotted on pro rata basis, did not pay the amount due on allotment and call. His 200 shares were forfeited. These shares were reissued as fully paid at rupees 9 per share. Prepare necessary journal entries and balance sheet. Here statement of allotment. Applications for 10,000 shares, no allotment. Applications for 10,000 shares, no allotment. Applications for 40,000 shares, 40,000 shares allotted, and applications for 2 lakh means balance 2 lakh shares, 1,60,000 shares allotted in pro rata basis. Here lastly balance 2 lakh shares and allotted 1,60,000 shares pro rata method. Here necessary journal entries and a balance sheet. Mr. Ram, amount due from Mr. Ram on account of allotment on his 200 shares 200 shares is not rupees 600 but rupees 350. It must have applied for 250 shares. Extra amount paid with applications is 50 into 5, rupees 250. This will reduce the dues on allotment. Here necessary journal entries in the books of Raj Industries Limited, journal entries in the books of Mr. Raj Industries Limited. Journal entries in the books of Raj Industries Limited. Journal entries in the books of Raj Industries Limited for the year ended dash 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 journal entries in the books of Raj Company Limited. Date, particular, debit rupees, credit rupees. First, application. Here company issued, Raj company issued 2 lakh equity shares, but applications received 2 lakh 50,000 shares. Application money rupees 5. Here bank account DR 2 lakh 50,000 shares of rupees 5 each to bank account DR to share application account. Bank account DR to share application account. Bank account DR 2 lakh 50,000 shares into 5 is equal to 12 lakh 50,000. 12 lakh 50,000. 12 lakh 50,000 being application money received. Being application money received. And then second entry, here second entry is share application account DR share application account DR 12 lakh 50,000. Two, share capital account in bracket 2 lakh into 5. In credit column 10 lakh and excess refunded to bank account refund to bank account refund 10,000 shares into 5. 10,000 shares into 5, 50,000 rupees. And 2, and share allotment account $40,000 shares into 5, 2 lakh, 10 lakh, 50,000 and 2 lakh is equal to 12 lakh 50,000 rupees being transfer and refund of application money, being transfer and refunded of application money. Next, allotment, third entry, share allotment allotment money due. Third journal entry is allotment money due. Share allotment account DR share allotment account DR to share capital account and to share premium account. Here 2 lakh equity shares and allotment rupees 3 and premium include rupees 1 means 2 lakh into 3 including 1 rupees premium. Share allotment 2 lakh into 3 debit 6 lakh and share capital 2 lakh into 2 credit 4 lakh and share premium account 2 lakh into 1 credit rupees 2 lakh being allotment money due. Being allotment money due. And next, अलॉटमेंट मनी रिसिव्डची नोंद करतो आपण. अलॉटमेंट मनी रिसिव्ड. बैंक अकाउंट DR to share allotment account. Fourth journal entry is here Ram is failed 200 shares and his shares were forfeited. Then fourth journal entry is bank account DR to share allotment account. Bank account DR to share allotment account 3,99,650. 3,99,650. 3,99,650. Here Mr. Ram failed. His shares 200 were forfeited. Amount due from Mr. Ram on amount of allotment on his 200 shares is not rupees 600 but rupees 350. He must have applied for 250 shares. Extra amount paid with application is 50 into 5 rupees 250. This will reduce this dues on allotment. Here 350 calls in arrears being allotment money received being allotment money received. Here the next amount due on first and final call. The next journal entries is fifth number. Amount due on first and final call. Here Raj Company Limited issued a 2 lakh equity shares and he called application 5 allotment 3 and first and final call rupees 3. He received 10 rupees. Next, first call due. First and final call account DR to share capital account. First and final call account DR to share capital account. 2 lakh into 1 debit 2 lakh and credit 2 lakh being amount due on first and final call. Sorry, here final call rupees 3 means here 3 6 lakh 2000 into 3 6 lakh being amount due on first call and final call. Amount due on final call. Then next entry is final call received. Except Ram's share. 6 journal entry is bank account DR to share first and final call account. 5,99,400. 5,99,400. 5,99,400 being first and final call received. Being first and final call received. Here all general entries are completed and Ram failed to 200 shares and his shares were forfeited and these shares were reissued as fully paid at rupees 9 per share. Here forfeiture of 200 shares. Next journal entry is forfeited of 200 shares in 7 numbers. Journal entry is share capital account DR, share premium account DR, to share forfeited account, to share allotment account and to share first and final call account. Here share capital account DR, $200 shares into 10 and share premium account DR 200 into 1 rupees include a premium means debit 2000 rupees and premium 200 rupees. Then next 2 share forfeited account, to share allotment account, and to share first and final call account. Here allotment money rupees 1250. Here forfeited amount is 1250 and allotment rupees 350. Allotment rupees 350 and first and final call rupees 600. Here share capital account DR 200 into 10 2000. Share premium account DR 200 into 1 200. To share forfeited account 1250. To share allotment account 350 and share first and final call account 600 being forfeiture of share. Being forfeiture of 200 shares or shares. Being forfeiture of shares, then forfeited shares reissue of a company, Raj Company Limited. Rams forfeited 200 shares. His shares were reissued as fully paid of rupees 9 per shares. Then general entry is as follows. Next and last, necessary general entry, reissue of 200 shares. Reissue means bank account DR, bank account DR. $200 shares into 9, 1,800, and share forfeited account DR in bracket discount 200 into 1 means 200 to share capital account, to share capital account 200 into 10, 2000 rupees. Being a reissue of 200 shares, being a reissue of 200 shares, and last most important general entry is transfer of net gain. Transfer of net gain, 9 number general entry is very important. Here transfer of net gain. 9 and last general entries, share forfeited account DR, then balance share forfeited account DR to capital reserve account. Share forfeited account DR share forfeiture account DR to capital reserve account. $1,050. Here narration is being discount written off, and balance transfer to capital reserve. Being discount written off, and balance transfer to capital reserve. Transfer to capital reserve. Here necessary journal entry completed and balance sheet. Next, balance sheet in the books of Mr. Raj Company Limited, balance sheet in the books of Mr. Raj Company Limited. Mr. Raj Company Limited as on the date here liability and assets. Liabilities rupees, assets rupees. Here liability side, first item share capital. Share capital. Company issued actually 2 lakh equity shares and rupees 10 each, fully paid. ₹2 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. 20 lakh and share premium account and share premium account 1,99,800, 1,99,800. Share premium account 1,99,800 shares, 1,99,800 shares of rupees 1 each, and next capital reserve. $1,050 capital reserve. Profit on forfeiture and reissue. Profit on forfeiture and reissue of shares. And asset side, cash at bank. Cash at bank cash at bank 22,850, 22,850. $22,850, 22,850, 22,850, 22,850. Here problem is completed. Thank you.